GE Backlit Universal Remote Control for Samsung, Vizio, LG, Sony, Sharp, Roku, Apple TV, TCL, Panasonic, Smart TV, streaming players, Blu-ray, DVD, simple setup, 4-device, gold. Fully backlit and stylish, find buttons easily in the dark or in dimly lit rooms with the soft blue LEDs, while the brushed gold finish enhances your home decor. Multi-device control, operate up to 4 different audio and video components such as TVs, Blu-ray/DVD players, cable/satellite receivers, Roku boxes and other streaming media players, sounds bars, and more. Best remote code library with simple setup. This universal remote works with all major brands and supports thousands of audio/video components and includes an easy-to-follow setup video, providing trouble-free setup along with a master volume control that allows you to control the volume no matter what device is selected. Does not work with Roku streaming stick or Fire TV/stick or other RF streaming devices. Replacement remote control for UN32A4003F LED HDTV. Operable distance, more than 8 meters. Material, ABS material. Warranty, 30 days. Package, 1X remote controller. We make this replacement remote control to replace your original remote coming with the TV. It functions well. No need to program. Just put in the battery and it works. We test every remote before shipment. Well, if the remote you receive has a problem, please feel free to contact us.